For academic purposes only. Today, I will present our 3D model of the Suzuki Espresso in Autodesk Maya. First, let us look at our reference images. We rotate around the model, starting from the front view, then the right side, the back view, and finally the left side. This step is important because it gives us a complete idea of the car shape and proportion before modeling. Next, let us move to the process of making the model. We start from small. We build the basic shapes like cubes and cylinders and arrange them to form the outline of the espresso. We add color as a guide. This helps us see which parts belong to the body, the windows, the wheels, and other details. Then we remove the color and judge. Then we modify all that is needed, like adjusting the curves, aligning the wheels, and refining the edges until the model looks more realistic. After this, we compare it with a human mesh for proportion. This shows us if the size of the espresso matches a real car next to a person. Now let us check the model in all four main views. In the front view, we see the face of the car, showing its details clearly. In the right view, we notice the side profile, showing the compact design and overall length. In the back view, we observe the rear part, showing balance and proportion of the whole model. In the left view, we confirm the proportion and match to the opposite side. After this, we go inside the channels window of Maya. Here, we look at the parts that make up the car. Each one is shown one by one. As they appear, we can see how they are arranged, how big or small they are, and how they are placed in the scene. This lets us understand their properties like position, size, and rotation. By showing them one after another, we can see the whole structure of the model. This also helps us check that everything is built correctly and placed in order, with proper organization of objects and components. It also proves that the model was successfully and carefully built step by step. In the end, this gives us confidence that the car is ready to present as a complete 3D model. Finally, we end with our credits roll, showing the list of members who work on this midterm project. Each member had a task assigned, and together we completed the 3D espresso model successfully. Thank you.